Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply in the chat box. Okay. Walaikum assalam, all of you. I am waiting for some other students and then I will start my today's lecture. Walaikum assalam, all of you. Good morning again. Now I want to inform you that from tomorrow onwards, when you are coming to your class, you have to wear your school uniform and you have to focus your camera on your faces. Okay, so that will identify you. And one more thing, that after 5 minutes I will lock the meeting so no one will enter, so you should be there on time. Okay, now I'm going to start my today's lecture. Okay, very good of you understand it. Now I'm going to start my today's lecture. You all know that we are doing the revision work, so you should have your copies and books with you with the stationery. So please take your English literature copies and books. I'm going to start today's revision. This is again English literature lecture. I'm Mrs. Afshin Imran. This is lecture number 36. We are doing the review of play Macbeth. We have done question number 1 till 10 yesterday. Now we are doing some more questions today. Now I hope you have understood my instructions and you will have to follow from tomorrow onwards. But I will repeat these instructions at the end of my lecture because some of you are late today. These are short question answers. Again, we are discussing some of them. And I'm telling you, you should copy the questions first and write the answers first in the chat box. Then write your answers in your copies. Otherwise, there is a lot of waste of time here during the lecture. You know that there is short time period here and I want to discuss all the questions. And if you are writing the answers in your copies, it is just a waste of time to copy the questions properly and that write the answers in the chat box first. Okay, so that I can understand whether you understand the questions or whether you are able to write the answers or not. Meda, it was just a problem and now I have opened it. You can easily chat with me. Okay, now I'm going to start. Question number 11. Why was Macbeth traveling with fear at the feast? If you remember, when Macbeth and Lady Macbeth, they had murdered King Duncan. After that, they became the king and the queen. And Macbeth was had invited many people or noblemen of their country to the feast. And suddenly, what was happening? Macbeth was trembling with fear. He started trembling with fear. Now, can you tell me why? What was the reason? You will tell me the answer and turn on your cameras, please, so that I can see your work as well as your faces. Show me your faces. Very good, Meda. What was there? Thank you himself or any other thing? Meda Advani, I want to see your face. Fatma Kareem, please show me your face and then show me your copies. Palak Sheikh, Zimal. Now you have opened the cameras. Show me your copies. Are you listening, me students? Fatma Kareem, I am watching your copy. Very good of you. You are started working. Now, please tell me the answer in the chat box. I am waiting for the answer. Meda Hetmani has given me the answer. Any other person who wanted to give me the answer, who wants to give me the answer? Why was Macbeth traveling with fear at the feast? Yes, Abdul Rahman, show me your face. Okay, very good. You have written the answers here. He saw the ghost of Banquo. Very good. Mehta, I was just asking about that whether he saw the Banquo himself or the ghost. Zimal, your answer is very good. It's right answer. Fatma Kareem, write the answer in the chat box first. You are writing the answer in the copy first. Okay. Now I'm going to show you question number 12. How did the witches prepare the magic mixtures? If you remember, there were witches at some place and Macbeth met them, and witches were preparing magic mixtures to find out the future events, if you remember. So, how did they prepare those magic mixtures? Who will tell me? Now, tell me the answer of question number 12. Who will tell me how did the witches prepare the magic mixtures? From which things? They were taking some things and prepare the magic mixtures from them. Who will tell me the answer, please? Right here in the chat box. Ishal Ali, show me your copy. Simal, show me your copy. Show me your faces. Now tell me the answer. Any one of you. You can take the help of your book. I'm waiting here. There is a continuous net problem, and because of that, we are continuously disturbed. Yes, Fatma, your answer is right, from parts of animals and plants. Yes. Yes, the answer is right. Are you hearing me, students? Please reply again. Are you hearing me properly? Please reply. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, now I am moving to question number 13. Okay, actually there is a problem of internet. Okay, okay, Maida, your answer is right. By animals and plants, magic mixtures were being prepared. And one more thing which I have told you many times, but I'm repeating, that you have to write the answer starting from the question. Like the witches prepared magic mixtures by, okay, you have to write the answers. The witches made Macbeth cruel by their magic. No, Bilal, this is not the answer. I'm not asking that. I'm asking how they are preparing the magic mixtures. Okay. So please, first of all, under, try to understand the question and then write the answer. Okay. Yes, Mehda Idmani, I understand. I understand. Okay. Now I am moving to question number 13. In which form did the first witch appear? If you remember, when Macbeth moved to meet the witches again, second time, then all the three witches uh, took some shape or took some different appearance. So you should have to write the answer about the first witch. How did she, what, yeah, or you can say which form she took uh, to appear at that time. Okay. Now, who will tell me the answer? Very easy question. In which form did the first witch appear? And you have to write the answer in the way, starting from the question. The first witch appeared in the form of, the first witch appeared in the form of, now tell me the answer. Which form? Yes, Abdul Rahman, what do you want to show me? I want to see your face. You're not showing your face here. Yes, Mehda, the first witch appeared in the form of a child. Anything else? Anything else? Or it's just enough? Now tell me the complete answer. Is it wrong or right? Now who will tell me the correct answer? Yes, Fatma, your answer is right. Mehda, your answer is incomplete. It is half right and half wrong. It was not a child, it was a head. Yes, Jamal, it's right answer, a form of head wearing a helmet. Very good. Which kind of helmet? Battle helmet or simple helmet? Okay, very good of you. Yes, tell me the answer, please. Okay, these are easy questions. Now I'm moving to question number 14. In which form did the second witch appear? This is also very easy question. Now tell me the answer, please. Now tell me the answer. In which form did the second witch appear, please? Tell me the answer. It's very easy questions. You know that. Very easy questions. Very good answer. The second witch appeared in the form of child covered in blood. Very good. Very good. Now, initially, the second witch appeared in the form of a child covered in blood. Very good answer. All of you are writing the correct answers. You are doing in your copies as well. Very good. It means you are understanding what is the story, and you are allowed to take the help of your book as well, because you are doing in your home. But please read the story many times so that you can learn everything properly. Okay. Now I move to question number 15. In which form did the third witch appear? In which form did the third witch appear? Who will tell me the answer? Now, who will tell me the answer of question number 15? In which form did the third witch appear? It was a child dressed like a king, but something else. You have to write the complete answer. Yes, Fatma, it's right, with a tree in its hand. You have to write the complete answers. These are very short answers, 2 to 3 lines answers, but you have to write in the complete form. Okay. I hope you have understood everything. Very good, Zemal. You have completed it. Now, Maida and Fatma Karim have shown their work. What about others? Why you are not showing your work? Yes, Hamza Mujtuba, show me your copy, please. Ishal, Palak, Moise, no one has shown me. Yes, Moise, very good of you. You have shown me your work. Okay, very good. Ishal Ali, you have not shown me the work. Palak Sheikh, please show me your work. Hamza Mujtuba. Abdul Rahman, very good of you. Zimal, very good of you. Abdul Rahman, you have not shown me your copy. It was Zimal's. Okay. Now I move to question number 16. What was the queen talking when she walked around the castle? What was the queen talking when she walked around the castle? If you remember that after the murder of King Duncan and the behavior of Macbeth, Queen That was Lady Macbeth. She was also going mad and she was walking here and there during the sleep in the castle. She stopped something at that time during her walk around the castle at night during her sleep. Who will tell me that? She was talking widely about the murderer or murder. She, she was not talking about the murderer, she was talking about murder. And the spelling of wildly is wrong. Question is not showing on the screen. There's a problem, Zimal. Any other people, please tell me. Can you see my questions here on your screens? Please reply, hurry up. Question number 16. Please reply, hurry up. Okay, now it is clear, Zimal? Okay. It means there is actually from 2 or 3 days there is a disturbances in internet connections, and because of that this whole things happen. Okay, now tell me the answer. Mehta Advani, again you are telling me the same thing, but some of the people can see the question easily. Check your internet connection, please. This is also, you can write this answer also. There is spot of blood here. You can add this line here in the question answer. It's right. Okay. Now I move to question number 17. First of all, remember that you have to write the answers starting from the question, like I'm telling you about question 16. The queen was talking. The queen was the queen was talking about the murder when she walked around the castle. You can write the answer in the simple way. Now I want to show you question number 17. Please try to understand the questions first. What did the queen want to remove from her hand? If you understand, she thought that something was there in on her hand, so she wanted to remove that thing. The question is that what did the queen want to remove from her hand? Very easy. So you can write the answer in the way the queen wanted to remove from her hand. What was it? You can add at the end. And when we remove did from the question, we add second form of verb in the answer. We should know that. Now, who will tell me the answer? Very easy question. What did the queen want to remove from her hand? Okay, Zimal. Now, where is your copy? Where is your face? No one is showing the face. All of you are sleeping. From tomorrow onward, I'm telling you again and again that Zimal, your answer is right. Blood spot. She wanted to remove the blood spot from her hand. Yes, your answer is right. And one more thing I want to tell you again, because some of you have joined me late. From tomorrow onwards, you have to wear the uniform, proper uniform during the class. And one more thing, that after 5 minutes of from the beginning of the meeting, that means if it starts at 8:30, then at 8:35, I will log the meeting. And no one is allowed to admit here or join me. So please be there on time with your copies and with your books, with your stationery, everything, whatever you want for your class. Yes, Moise, it is right answer. She wanted to remove blood spot, not the blood spot. Okay. Now I want to show you question number 18. What strange sight did the messenger see at Burnham? If you remember the story, the end of the story, this question is from the end of the story when the battle was going to start and the messenger of Macbeth came and he saw something and he wanted to inform, or he informed Macbeth. Who will tell me what was that strange sight? What was that strange sight? Please tell me. Who will tell me the answer? Rumesa and Sanya, you are very much late. Yes, Imal, very good. Wood began to move. From where the wood began to move, he saw towards Burnham and thought that the woods were moving. Okay, very good answer, both of you. You have given me the right answer. Hamza Mustafa, you have not shown me your work. Please open your camera, turn on your camera. Yes, Moise, you have to write the answer in the way that the strange sight, the messenger saw the strange sight at Burnham, which was the wood, moving wood. You have to take the help of your book. Now I'm showing you another question. Question number 19. Why did Macduff want to kill Macbeth himself? If you remember, Macduff, uh, he wanted to kill Macbeth himself. Why? Do you remember the reason? Mehta Advani, your answer is right. The strange sight that the messenger saw was that the Burnham wood was moving towards Dunsinane. Very good answer. Very good answer. Okay. Now, who will tell me the answer of question number 19? Why did Macduff want to kill Macbeth himself? Yes. Who will tell me the answer? Hurry up. Little bit time is left. Hurry up, tell me the answer, please. Actually, if you remember, Macbeth had killed the whole family of Macduff. If you remember. So Macduff wanted to kill Macbeth himself because he wanted to take revenge from Macbeth. Do you understand the answer? Now please tell me the answer. I have explained you. Why did Macduff want to kill Macbeth himself? Because Macbeth truly murdered the family of Macduff. Very good. Limal, because Macbeth had killed his family savagely to take his revenge. And to take his revenge. Okay, you have to Fatma write the correct answer. These are two answers we have written together. Macbeth wanted to take his revenge because Macbeth had killed his family. Okay. Now there is another question. I want to show you the last question for today. Question number 20. What did Macduff present to Malcolm? This is the present, which is in other way called gift. Okay. So there is a gift which was given by Macduff to Malcolm. What was that gift or what was that present? You have to tell me that answer. What did Macduff present to Malcolm? Malcolm, if you remember, he was the son of King Duncan. So when Macduff took the revenge from Macbeth, he present something to Malcolm. What was it? Very good, Mehta. Your answer is right. Of question number 19. Macduff wanted to kill Macbeth himself because Macbeth had killed his family, so he wanted to take revenge. Very good answer. Now, who will tell me the answer number 20? What did Macduff present to Malcolm? You have to complete all these questions which I have given you yesterday and today, because when there will be copy collection or copy submission date, I want this work to be completed in your copies. Yes, who has given me the answer? Very good. He present or presented? He presented the head of Macbeth to Malcolm. Yes, very good of you. Very good, Fatma. You have given me the right answer. Actually, when he killed Macbeth, then he cut his head and presented it to Malcolm. That was the new king of uh, Scotland, because you know that Macbeth had been killed during the battle by Macduff, and the elder son of King Duncan, he became the new king. So Macduff was giving the present to the new king Malcolm, and it was the head of Macbeth. I hope you all have understood all the questions, and this was actually the review of the story in the form of short question answers from the beginning till the end. Okay, I hope you have understood everything. Abdul Rahman, if you want to ask anything, please ask me and write in the chat box. I want to inform you one more time that from tomorrow and onwards, you have to wear the proper uniform, and I want to see your faces so focus your camera on your faces. And one more thing, you should be having your literature copies and books with you, because from tomorrow I will give you the review of another lesson, that is the Tempest. Yes, in all classes you have to wear the uniform. Like you are in your school, so you have to wear the uniform from the morning till the end of your all classes. Okay, and you will have for my class, because we are uh, revising the literature topics in this week, so you would be having your literature copies and books with you, and stationery as well, and you have to complete all the work in your copies by making the complete index as well. Date wise index should be there, because then there will be copy submission, then I want that index. Okay, one more thing which I want to tell you, that you have to turn on your cameras and show me your faces as well from tomorrow, and I will log the meeting after 5 minutes from the beginning. So please, you should be there on time. Anything which you want to ask, because it is that almost the time is over. If you want to ask anything, please ask me. And if you have got any confusion in any of the question, please ask me here at this moment. Yes, you have to make the index. Abdul Rahman, you have to make the index. Yesterday's index separately, today's index separately. Whenever I'm taking your classes, you have to make the separate index for each day. After Eid, your final term will be conducted after Eid ul-Fitr. Okay, so you should have the time to prepare for the final terms. Anything which you want to ask now? I hope you all have understood all questions. We have repeated the story of Macbeth here in 2 lectures. Topics of literature, you don't know about the syllabus, Moise? There will be only 2 lessons or 2 plays in your final term, Macbeth and the Tempest. We have done the revision of Macbeth. Now we will do the revision of Tempest. Okay. Now I want to stop here. Anything which you want to ask? Any other thing? I'm waiting just for 1 minute. Abdul Rahman. Okay. Now I want to stop here because everything is cleared, I think, because you all have said that no questions. Now remember to wear the uniform from tomorrow onwards, daily during your classes, all subject classes, not only for English. It is the instructions for all the classes. And remember one more thing, that you should be there on time because meeting will be logged after 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes, and you will not be allowed to join it afterwards. Now I want to stop here. Okay. Allah Hafiz.